With each passing day, artificial intelligence goes through immense growth, birthing new humanoid robots and groundbreaking inventions that promise to revolutionize our world. However, despite the technological progress we see, there lies a profound question. Will these creations merely augment human functions, or are we on the brink of a shift where they may potentially replace us? That's quite a compelling question. Let's know more about it in today's video. In the present day, AI systems showcase impressive capabilities to learn, reason, and adapt, closely resembling human cognitive processes. Concurrently, advancements in robotics have led to the creation of a new breed of machines equipped with remarkable skill, mobility, and even elements of emotional intelligence. Among the noteworthy developments in this technological revolution is the rise of humanoid robots, which brings us to the first innovation on our list: Eloia, a realistic robot based on a woman from Central Europe. This unique robotic creation is undergoing programming, and scientists are researching the impact that hyper-realistic robots can have on people. The initial impressions upon meeting the robot are fascination and discomfort. Eloia stands at a height of 170 centimeters and wears a size 36 dress. Her medium-length hair, reaching her shoulders, is partially real. The hyper-realistic female robot can move her face, arms, fingers, and hips. Eloia's robot models are designed to study how people react to the environment of hyper-realistic robots and whether they are willing to interact with them. During the presentation, many people experienced both fascination and discomfort. Some took selfies with the female robot, while others avoided her, trying not to pay attention. Some simply watched, afraid to approach. An interesting feature of the robot is its warm silicone hands, claimed by the creators to allow it to be closer to humans, as a cold mechanical handshake repels many people. Additionally, Eloia can converse and engage in conversation. Loom. It appears that robots are making notable advancements in the beauty industry. Loom robots, equipped with computer vision and artificial intelligence technologies, are already being deployed in beauty salons in California. These robots autonomously apply each eyelash individually to the prepared eye, completing the task in just 15 minutes. Despite the 50-minute setup time for the robot, it still accomplishes the task 1/3 faster than a human would. Developers claim that this process is exceptionally fast, comfortable, and consistently effective for clients. Biocomputers. The lines between humans and machines are gradually blurring as scientists have achieved a remarkable feat: the creation of a human brain that can be connected to a computer. Researchers from Indiana University in Bloomington, USA, have successfully cultivated a living human brain that can interface with a computer. This breakthrough holds the potential to revolutionize our lives, paving the way for new technologies that will reshape our world. The engineered brain comprises neurons and cells, forming a complex network derived from stem cells extracted from a human embryo. Stem cells possess the capability to differentiate into various cell types, including neurons. To establish the connection between the brain and the computer, scientists utilized electrodes. These electrodes input data into the brain cells and interpret the subsequent activity. Through a series of experiments, researchers demonstrated the brain's capacity to learn and execute complex tasks. For instance, the brain exhibited the ability to recognize voices and solve intricate equations. The scientific community anticipates that within the next decade, we will witness the emergence of the first biocomputers. These biocomputers will harness the strengths of both the human brain and computers, boasting high processing speeds and learning capabilities. The implications of this discovery are vast. Biocomputers hold immense potential for the advancement of various technologies, including artificial intelligence, robotics, and medical devices. However, significant challenges lie ahead. Scientists must develop methods to grow larger and more intricate brains, as well as devise means to integrate biocomputers with the human body. Despite these obstacles, if scientists can overcome these challenges, biocomputers will become a reality in the near future. Genetic resurrection. Colossal Biosciences, an American scientific organization, has achieved a breakthrough by announcing its ability to recreate mammoths. Furthermore, they have unveiled their plans to recreate dinosaurs, though mammoths take precedence in their plans. Currently, the closest living relatives to mammoths are Asian elephants, which could potentially undergo genetic modifications to bear a closer resemblance to their extinct counterparts. Scientists at Colossal Biosciences have successfully reprogrammed skin cells from Asian elephants into an embryonic state, marking a significant milestone in their quest to recreate mammoths. This achievement lays the groundwork for the creation of elephants, with traits resembling those of the extinct woolly mammoths. The scientists have developed 4 lines of specialized stem cells capable of differentiating into various types of animal cells, indicating promising progress in their research. In addition to mammoths, Colossal Biosciences intends to resurrect representatives of 2 other extinct species, the dodo bird and the Tasmanian tiger. While addressing the possibility of resurrecting dinosaurs, company representatives acknowledge the substantial challenge posed by the age of dinosaur remains. Despite the preservation of red blood cells and other soft tissue elements in some dinosaur fossils, obtaining viable DNA samples remains elusive. Soft tissues in dinosaurs have decomposed over millions of years, making it exceedingly difficult to extract intact DNA molecules. Studies indicate that DNA degradation progresses over time, with complete decay occurring over millions of years. The last dinosaurs died over 65 million years ago, rendering the extraction of viable DNA for resurrection purposes virtually impossible, even with advancements in technology. One of the alternative approaches being investigated involves genetic engineering, where scientists manipulate the genetics of birds to produce creatures resembling dinosaurs. This is because birds are regarded as direct descendants of dinosaurs. Unfortunately, the recreation of dinosaurs seems impossible. Even if scientists were able to recover fragments of dinosaur DNA, creating a fully functional animal is not feasible. Researchers would need to combine these fragments with genetic material from other animals to generate a living organism, essentially creating a hybrid rather than a true dinosaur. Nonetheless, advancements in technology are enhancing the likelihood of resurrecting prehistoric creatures. Atlas. It appears that those who foresee robots eventually replacing ordinary workers in jobs are indeed correct. A notable example is showcased in a video by Boston Dynamics on their YouTube channel, where the humanoid robot Atlas is seen transferring automotive parts from factory packaging to a rack for collection by an automated production line. While specialized industrial robots are already prevalent in this industry, tasks requiring a more nuanced human touch have remained beyond their capabilities until now. With Boston Dynamics, now owned by Hyundai, offering its experimental Atlas robot for use in auto manufacturing, there's significant potential for advancement in robotics. Atlas represents a pivotal step in the development of humanoid robots, demonstrating considerable promise for commercial applications. In the not-so-distant future, decisions regarding whether to employ a person or a machine may boil down solely to financial considerations. And that's about it for today's video. What's your favorite innovation that we've mentioned? Let us know in the comments below. While you're at it, do give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.